Changan/'s Oshan X7 price is a game-changer in the SUV market. Changan has taken the SUV market by storm with a major price cut on its flagship Oshan X7, making it a more attractive option for SUV enthusiasts. This move has sparked excitement among potential buyers and heated discussions in the automotive industry. But what does this price reduction mean for the market? And how does the Oshan X7 now compare to its competitors? Let's explore all aspects of this groundbreaking development. Changan Oshan X7. A brief overview. Before diving into the price reduction and its implications, let's take a closer look at the Changan Oshan X7 itself. This SUV has been making waves due to its bold design, spacious interior, and modern features. 1. Exterior design. The Changan Oshan X7 boasts an elegant yet aggressive design, featuring a bold front grille with chrome accents, sleek LED headlights and DRLs, sporty alloy wheels, a streamlined body with strong character lines, an aerodynamic rear with LED taillights. The Oshan X7's aesthetics appeal to those looking for a blend of luxury and sportiness in an SUV. 2. Interior comfort features. Step inside, and the Oshan X7 greets you with a premium cabin loaded with modern features. Some key highlights include a spacious and comfortable 5 or 7-seater configuration, a panoramic sunroof for an open-air experience, high-quality leather upholstery, a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, a digital instrument cluster, a multifunction steering wheel, ample legroom and cargo space. These features ensure that the Oshan X7 provides a comfortable and tech-savvy driving experience. 3. Performance engine specifications. Under the hood, the Changan Oshan X7 is powered by a 1.5 liters turbocharged engine, producing an impressive 185 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque. A 7-speed DCT automatic transmission ensures smooth gear shifts. Front-wheel drive, FWD, configuration for a balanced ride, fuel efficiency that competes well within its segment. These performance specs make the Oshan X7 an ideal option for city driving as well as long road trips. 4. Safety features. Changan has packed the Oshan X7 with advanced safety features to ensure driver and passenger security. These include multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic stability control, escape, traction control system, TCS, 360-degree camera and parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning. These safety technologies make the SUV a reliable and secure vehicle for families and individuals alike. Changan's big move. A price slash on the Oshan X7. In a surprising and strategic move, Changan has significantly reduced the price of the Oshan X7, making it more affordable for SUV buyers. This price drop has been met with enthusiasm, as it places the vehicle in a highly competitive position. 1. Why did Changan slash prices? The automotive industry is highly dynamic, and various factors could have contributed to Changan's decision. Market competition. With growing competition from other SUV brands, Changan likely aimed to boost sales and attract more customers. Economic conditions. Fluctuations in global and local economies often impact car prices. Reducing the price could be a response to market demands. Production efficiencies. If Changan has achieved better production efficiency or received incentives, they might have passed the benefits to customers. Customer demand. A price cut makes the Oshan X7 more accessible, leading to increased interest and potential sales. 2. New pricing. How much have prices dropped? The new price of the Oshan X7 makes it a compelling alternative to other SUVs in its category. Although the exact discount varies depending on the market, reports suggest that the reduction is substantial enough to attract a new wave of buyers. 3. Impact on the market. Changan's decision to slash the price of the Oshan X7 has sent ripples through the SUV segment. The major effects include increased demand. A more affordable price tag has led to a spike in customer interest. Pressure on competitors. Other automakers may feel compelled to adjust their pricing strategies. Better value for customers. Buyers can now get a high-end SUV at a lower cost, making the Oshan X7 a more lucrative choice. How does the Changan Oshan X7 compare to its competitors? Now that the Oshan X7 is more affordable, How does it stack up against rival SUVs? Let's compare it with some key competitors in terms of price, features, and performance. 1. Changan Oshan X7 vs. Honda CR-V. The Oshan X7 offers similar performance and better